All right, so you're hungry, it's brunch time, it's breakfast time, you got the munchies, you need a little pick-me-up, you need a little quick snack. This is all you need right here. Some water and brunch mix, all right? So we're about to open this up. This brunch mix, it's all vegan, super tasty, right? And the cool thing about it, all you need to use is the mix, water or milk. You don't need a lot, all right? So mix is in, right? We got maybe 1.5 to 2 cups. We're gonna add our water and we're gonna mix. The minute you open this up and you start to mix it, it smells like heaven. It's like vanilla cake, it's like birthday cake, and just so delicious. So we're gonna mix this up like this, and we don't wanna over mix it. So right now it's good. We're gonna let it sit for like maybe 5 minutes or so we can just kind of get everything together, and then we're gonna start cooking this baby, all right? Now we're looking for the bubbles at the very edges. That's to let us know that the pancake is ready to be flipped. So now that you have made your brunch mix and you've satisfied that urge to fill your belly with something, the bounce ability, right, is just on another level. When I say fluffy, look at that. Delicious, tasty, all that good stuff, like you can't go wrong, you know? So grab a box or two today. So good. Yeah! Belly filled.